Fata Orlovic has endured much in her 76 years. Her husband was murdered in the 1990s, and 6 of her children have emigrated. She returned home despite the horror of ethnic cleansing undertaken by Serbs and several massacres in the region. Konjevic Polje is less than 20 kilometers from Srebrenica, where thousands of people were killed.
I want it removed as soon as possible, and for them to clean up my garden and pay compensation for trauma and suffering.
While Fata Orlovic was away, local municipal officers gave a hectare of her land to the Serbian Orthodox Church. When she returned, she was outraged to find it built directly in front of her house. Church officials are aware of the stress caused to both sides, but suggest they were misled on the legality of the land.
The church was built based on a decision taken by the municipality of Bratunac on September 11, 1997. Following that solution, the location and ownership is granted to the Serbian Orthodox Church in Drinjača parish. Having said that, it was the local authorities' responsibility to solve all legal ownership matters with the Orlovic family.
By October 2007, it seemed Fata had won her battle. After a series of meetings between Serb politicians in the Republika Srpska region of Bosnia and the Orthodox Church, it was decided that the building would be removed.
We have agreed to figure out a way to remove the church and have started to plan on how to do that in the shortest time possible.
11 years ago, the now president of Bosnia-Herzegovina was the prime minister of the Serbian mini-state. After an 18-year legal battle, Fata Orlovic's case is about to be heard in the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. Now that follows Bosnia-Herzegovina's constitutional court deciding in 2017, after several cases before then, that her rights had not been violated because she had refused a financial settlement. So far, she's turned down $1.5 million. Ironically, the church is only used once a year.
I don't care about judges or prosecutor. I don't want anybody on land that belongs to me and my 7 children. This is my last call for them to move it.
Nearby are signs of the conflict that drove so many away. Fata insists her land must be returned to her as it was before the war. Iolo Ap Dafydd, TRT World, Konjevic Polje.